guys, and welcome back. So today we have come to Coniston, and it is the site of where Donald Campbell unfortunately died trying to break a record. And there's a lot of ducks here, mallards, Canadian geese, English swans, some seagulls, and I'll just take a minute to admire the scenery around. It smells like the sea, which is quite surprising because it's actually a lake. It's the second biggest in the lake district. Okay, so this is how it feels to be a duck. Quite low, isn't it? Yeah. I would not like to live this low. Okay, so it is a new morning in Coniston, and today we are heading off to Windermere, and we will be going to an aquarium, so I'm quite excited for that, and exploring Windermere, so enjoy. See you in a minute. Is it Windermere?
Yeah, that's fine.
Easy terrapins, you know. So This is the Americas.
What's even the front?
And parts of their brain, Ricky.
There's another one hiding around the corner.
I'm trying to put up this one.
Harry. Where? Guess what eats it? What eats it? So that's the house at that end. The buckle.
I've got to be honest with you, these are my favourite handfish. They're cold.
Where is he going? Mommy, I can see his head. I can see his head. Yeah, I saw his head. Mommy's got
Of course, we have to have a gardens now, because they are little big. There it is, a whole lot of secrets. Loads of different varieties of citrus. Elephant nose fish. Oh, they're funny. Scenic. Underground tunnel, which I am very excited about, to be honest with you. Some blood. Sturgeon there. Are they sturgeon? I don't think
Look, who wants to go let me on? Let me on. Went for a little bit.
Where's the biggest sturgeon?
That looks so sick.
There's that white colour. I believe I'm this close to one of the most poisonous fish in the world. His nose up. Okay, so this is the end of this video really, and I hope you've enjoyed watching it, and if you're still here, make sure to like, subscribe to Teddy's Creatures for more content like this, and I shall see you soon. Bye-bye.